Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Dark Pool Daily Whisper for June 24th. So let's start with the SPY. We had a very, very big level last week, 10.5 million dark pool level. We have not had that big a level in quite a while. So this is big. We need to watch 293.12, right? If they're selling, they usually don't sell in one day. It usually takes them a while. But if they're buying, we should move higher. So let's just keep that as a line in the sand. If we close below 293.12, that's when I start to put on some protection, okay? So today we're going to be bullish above 294.50. That's a pretty key level. We've already hit 295 already once. So there should be less sellers the second time. So you can see my targets go all the way up. However, I will be bearish below 293. Retracement trade down all the way to this 8 exponential moving average. Now keep in mind also, we had another very big level back here at 289.43, 7.5 million. So we are above both big levels right now. Let's go to the E-minis. I know a lot of you trade that. We're going to be bullish above 29.60. And we're going to be bearish below 29.50. Two key levels. And again, that would be more of a retracement trade. Okay. Back down to this 8 exponential moving average. Let's go to the Russell. We really haven't had any heavy dark pool levels on the Russell, but we will be bullish above 154.50 and bearish below 153.50. The QQQs, last big level we had was around, I think, 183, right? And we're way above that. So today we're going to be bullish above 189. And we did come close to that 190. Haven't quite hit that yet for the QQQs. So that is going to definitely be a resistance level. There are going to be sellers that are going to be loaded to sell at 190. I don't see any right now on the book, but trust me, they'll be there if we do go up. Bearish below 187.80. And that would be a retracement trade, okay, down to this 8 exponential moving average. And the oil futures, let me just bring those guys to you. All right, so the oil futures, here we go. I'm going to be bullish above 58. It's a really key level. And we're going to be bearish below 57.73. All right, it's pretty tight. In fact, let me just blow this up for you. All right, so you can see right here, yep, if we can break above this Camarilla pivot, right, bullish, or we could retrace back down to the person's pivot right there, that dotted pink line. It's been pretty tight this morning. Let me just go to the gold futures. Gold has been crazy good. Definitely my best trade of this year. If we can break above, let's see, what level did I put there? Yeah, 14.15. All right, we had some pre-market volume right here earlier, and the high was 14.12.50. Then we had another surge of volume on this bar, 14.13.50. So that's why I picked 14.15. If we can break above that, then we could move higher to around this 14.19 level. But really, the big move is above this solid red line. If we can break above that, a lot of room up. Or we may retrace back down to this pivot. That's why I picked 14.10, retracement trade, down to 14.01.50. All right, those are why I picked those levels. Let me just bring this back up there. Okay, so let's move on to some regular stocks. Apple had a big print last week, 198.70, and we are just above that right now. I'll be bullish above 199.50. and bearish below 198. Facebook, yeah, it's been holding up pretty strong. Bullish above 192.50 and bearish below 190 for a retracement trade. GDX, we've been rolling this up the hill. 25.50 was our next target. We hit that this morning. So if we can break above 25.62, that's when I'll buy some of those 26 calls for this week. And I'm just going to roll them in the 25.50s right now. If you're in the pit with me, you know about that. Bearish, though, below 25.25. More of a retracement trade. Okay, back down to the 4, and then we'll watch and see if we can hold the 4. But we have been holding it for a long time. So let's look at Carnival. CCL, yeah, really getting hit. After a stock gets hit the first day, institutions like to come in the second day and sell. Don't ever try to bottom fish, catch a falling knife. Wait for the third day. If it makes a higher high, higher low, if we have a big print, we close above the print. That's when I like to go in. But no, this is not happening here. Pretty bearish on the third day. So we're going to be bearish below 44.87 and bullish above 45.80 for CCL for more of a retracement trade. Okay. OIH, we've had a lot of prints on the VanEck Vectors Oil Services ETF. I love this. I love trading this one. Going to be bullish above 14.50. And oops, I forgot to put the bearish below level here. Hold on a minute. All right, I'm human. I have to be bearish below the print. So bearish below 13.87 and target. Thought I did this. Could have got deleted. All right, there you have it. Bearish below 13.87. Those are my targets going down. There's a lot of room to go before we hit resistance at 15 and 15.37, where there's 50 simple moving averages. Absolutely love this. Yep, so keep your eye on that. Bonds we've been trading, TLT. Yep, love this. Today, bullish above 132.62. We recently had a print, another one, 131.67. So if we break below that, 131.60, then take a trade to the bear side below that. But if we can break above 132.62, yeah, there's clear skies ahead for this bond ETF. eBay had lots of prints last week, 39.12. We've held above it. Today, bullish above 40.20, but if we do go below and test the prints, and let's just say that was the splash. Splash is usually in the opposite direction of the intended true move. We splash up to only go down, test the prints, and if we break below the prints, that's when we like to go short. Or sometimes we'll splash down and we come up to the prints, test the prints. If we go above it, that's when you want to go long. I'll be teaching you all of that and so much more this Wednesday. If you have not signed up for my free webinar, definitely come and check it out. It's on Wednesday at 8 o'clock Pacific time, 11 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll be going through how to trade these dark pool prints using the Dark Pool app. So until next time, happy trading. That's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.